Hi, I'm Anissa Peterman. I am an automotive product manager at HellermannTyton, and I would like to tell you about Source. This is our new product portfolio focusing on sustainable materials. We are developing these materials now because it's really important with industries having aggressive goals to reduce their carbon footprint and introduce more sustainable materials to the market. Today, I'd like to talk to you about ReSource. This is our portfolio of products focused on recycled materials. Post-industrial recycled material, also known as PIR, comes from recycled plastics that have never left the plant before. The material is reground into plastic pellets, which are then molded into new parts. PIR makes a lot of sense. The material is abundant and available right now.
There are many post-industrial, post-consumer materials out there, and HellermannTyton is diligent in the material selection process to ensure that the material using our products is meeting the performance, and not only in the lab, but also in the field. When we test these source materials, we're making sure that these materials are meeting the same requirements as the virgin materials, and they do.
When we're coming up with these designs that we're using the PIR material for, it's advantageous because we're able to use our existing designs and existing tools and be able to run that material in our tools and still meet our performance requirements.
Many of our customers have pledged to become fully carbon neutral in the next 10 to 15 years. The purpose of our ReSource product line is to offer a portfolio of products that have up to 100% recycled material. If you would have asked me 10 years ago who HellermannTyton is, I would have told you we are the industry leader in plastic wire management products. Today, the source of these parts is just as important as the material itself. We are really excited to be the industry's trailblazer in sustainability.
The Source project is important to me, and sustainability is important for our customers, so I'm excited to be part of this project and what is coming for the future.
I am glad to be on the Source team because I am passionate about sustainability, and working with this material is working towards a more environmentally sound outcome.